Here's a thought: I don't have to do anything, but what I do should be good, and what I don't do should be bad. You see what I'm saying? I don't have to do anything. That's the design. I can sit here in this room all day for the rest of my life. I can play video games. I can get a job. I can do anything I want to do. But I don't have to do anything. I don't have to keep the divine law. I don't have to break divine law. I don't have to build a house. The idea is that I am free to do whatever I want to do. I have no responsibilities. I have to do nothing. If I was a kid, I'd say I don't have to go to school. Whatever. I don't have to do anything. However, what I do choose to do, if I do something, it should be good. It should be toward building a better world for people. If I do choose to not do anything, I should be not doing bad things. So, there is bad, there is good. But who justifies what's good and what's bad? How do we know what's good and what's bad? You see, the secret is that a lot of people think, always be nice, or act the way now as you would have to act for eternity. Fortunately, though, or whatever, it's not that way. Unfortunately, it's not exactly that way. Because sometimes we have to take certain measures. We have to take certain measures to correct things that we wouldn't normally do. Stay doing. When you do something, make sure it is a part of. Make sure it is an act that benefits the world. If you don't do something, make sure you don't do something bad. Thank you.